And Ibn Kathir mentions that there will be a man whose scales will be totally and utterly equal. And he will think, who can I go to? Who can I go to get that one hasana, that one good deed? Think, wife. Man was a good husband. So he will go to his wife and he will say to his wife, and he will ask her. Remember, the Messenger of Allah said the mizan is that time where nobody will give a concern about anybody else. It will be totally and utterly nafsi, nafsi. He will go to his wife and he will say to his wife, what kind of husband was I? She will say, you were excellent, great husband. So if you want a great husband, don't even try on that day. She will say, great husband, excellent, first class. He will say, you know, today, all I need is one action to go into Jannah. Just one. Can you give me that one action? She will say, not today. Ask me anything else, but what you've asked me today is too difficult. Then he will think, who else can I go to? And he will think, my son. So he will go to his son. And he will say to his son, what kind of father was I? He said, my father, you are a good dad. You fulfilled my rights. You were good to me. Now, he doesn't even ask him for one good deed. You know what he asked for? He asked him for mithqala dharratin min khayr. He asked him for an atom seed of good. That's not even a full one deed. Just one atom, mithqala dharratin. So give me a mithqala dharratin of good deed. That's all I need. My scales are totally and utterly equal. Mithqala dharratin will do. So he doesn't even ask for a full deed, just a mithqala dharra. His son will say, Dad, you were a good father. You did whatever you could. But today is nafsi, nafsi. Today what you are asking me is for too much.